So what I'm saying is, brothers, that in order to create this holistic community, we need to do away with the boundaries of Gujarati, Punjabi, Sindhi, Bengali, Sri Lankan, and all these different things. If you want to live as Muslims, we need to get rid of this way of thinking. Now this is gonna, I said I would leave it till last because it's sometimes a bitter pill for people to swallow. You know, looking at my English family, how they're so open to different cultures and people. Subhanallah, aren't the British people tolerant people? Let's be honest. Very, very tolerant people. अगर ये हमारा मुल्क हो तो कब से हम अपने आप को निकाल चुके होते. Let's be realistic. Let's not sugarcoat it. In our own, listen, while I was in Pakistan a couple of years ago, the whole hangama in the news was, Yaar, are they not your brothers? Did they not say La ilaha illallah? Do not they share the same dastarkhan as you do, and your same janazah, your Eid salah, everything is the same? Well, just because of a passport difference, now there's a difference between the two communities? Oh, I can't get my son married here. Why? Oh, because they're Surti. What do you mean Surti? Well, so what? They're Baruchi. So what? Oh, they're from Dhaka, from Sylhet. So what? They're Pathan, they're Punjabi. So what? We need to get out of this ghafla and jahalat because our kids don't associate with this culture which we do. So when I say Rasulullah mentioned this in the hadith, the haqq of the father on the child is to get the child married. Don't always think on the lines that it has to be on something which we set as an ideal. If the child is a Muslim, alhamdulillah. Now there is some fiqhi issues in regards to this. Let me make this very clear. The Prophet ﷺ did mention 4 things for a child to look for a spouse. He did mention money, he did mention status, he did mention culture, but what he did, nasab rather, but what he mentioned was فَظْفَرْ بِذَاتِ الدِّينِ. If you're going to make something the criterion, something by which you guide yourself, something by which you set as a standard, Allah ke waste, use deen as the standard. Forget culture and these things, use deen as the standard.